top 2 questions I get from women when we talk about nutrition is number 1, what should my macros be at? And number 2, how many carbs should I be eating per day? And with these questions every single time, I then ask A, do you know approximately how many calories you consume in a day? And B, how much protein do you typically eat per day? Most people do not know the answer to either. So here's the deal. We know that calories in versus calories out will determine approximately 75% or more of the results you see. But for those looking to change their body composition, I'm more interested in your protein intake. In my experience and knowledge, when it comes to macros, protein is the most important macronutrient there is because you literally cannot survive without it. It helps us rebuild tissues and keeps things running. Like seriously, almost every function of the body needs at least some protein to function, manage, and continue to work. And if you're looking to change your body composition, you need protein for loads of reasons, but here's my top 2. Number 1, protein has a very high thermic effect of food, which means you actually burn calories just digesting it. And number 2, protein is extremely hard to store as body fat. So now obviously you can't just keep consuming protein and ignore all the other macros, but having a larger percentage of your calories coming from your protein is key, like 30 to 40%. And most women don't even come close to what they should consume when it comes to protein, which should be somewhere between 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body fat, which sounds absurd, right? So I will typically have people start with a minimum of 100 grams and go from there. And I can pretty much guarantee you will not see any fat accumulation from the rise in calories from that protein. So here are some examples of what 100 grams of protein looks like so you can get a feel of where you're currently at. 36 ounces of Greek yogurt, so 2.5 of these. 5 cans of tuna, which I typically eat an entire can to myself just for 1 protein serving per day. Side note, 5 cans of tuna is only 450 calories. 1 15-ounce ribeye steak, 21 ounces of lean beef. Those are just some examples. So bottom line, if you want to change your body comp, you have to prioritize protein. And when I bring up body comp, that can mean less fat for you, more muscle, better performance, or all of the above. If you're still struggling with your nutrition, drop me a DM or click the link in my bio to contact me. Because listen, your nutrition does not have to be complicated, but it does have to fit your lifestyle so you can sustain it.
Hey everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Michele.
And we are the Expat
Nomads.
Yeah, because we're expats and
we're nomads.